The department completed the recruitment activities. The department completed the recruitment activities. All right, let's work up your skills of the North American accent, the glottal T, and use it in more complex ways. This is part 4 of the lesson. When we're practicing glottal T, we're feeling the pressure in our throat like an uh-oh. I'll be saying the sentence with the glottal T, and afterwards, practice yourself and say the sentence with that tight pressure in your throat. Okay, let's do it. I'll be there shortly. I'll be there shortly. Your turn. I was there recently. I was there recently. I shut the window tightly. I shut the window tightly. Your apartment is amazing. Your apartment is amazing. That was greatly appreciated. That was greatly appreciated. Where's the HR department? Where's the HR department? The room filled with excitement. The room filled with excitement. I was slightly surprised by the ending. I was slightly surprised by the ending. The boss bluntly addressed the team. The boss bluntly addressed the team. They have a huge assortment of candies. Let's dissect this one a little bit. The first assortment T is an absolute glottal T because it has your consonant right after. And the second T in mint is followed by a vowel. So it kind of gets a bit weird. So you don't necessarily do your glottal T, and it's a combination NT. Often the combination, for some reason, of NT, when those two consonants are next to each other, we kind of cheat and drop the T. So you could say assortment of, an assortment of, and the T is dropped. You could also choose to do a glottal T or a true released T. It's up to you. Assortment of, your choice. They have a huge assortment of candies. Your turn. The drawers were all neatly organized. The drawers were all neatly organized. Sounds like heaven. I'm completely committed to the team. I'm completely committed to the team. Notice in committed, it's a flap T. Those T's are surrounded by vowels, and it's in an unstressed syllable. So committed is with a D sound. Your turn. If any of this has been even remotely helpful practice for you, just show me a little love. Let me know that what I'm doing is actually useful. And I know people mention comments all the time, but if there's something you struggle with, that's a really great way for me to know what maybe I should do a new video about, because really I just want to give you what you're looking for. So tell me. Grab the pen from the glove compartment. Grab the pen from the glove compartment. Compartment. You try. Ooh, the store has an allotment of assorted ointments. Ooh, the store has an allotment of assorted ointments. It's hard to throw the word ointment in a sentence, so just give me a break. She was partly to blame for the accident. She was partly to blame for the accident. You have to pet the dog very gently. You have to pet the dog very gently. Have to changes to have to. Pet the dog very gently. She whispered the song sweetly and quietly. She whispered the song sweetly and quietly. She expertly played the piano and touched the keys lightly. She expertly played the piano and touched the keys lightly. The department completed the recruitment activities. The department completed the recruitment activities. Notice the other T's are either released or flap D sounds. You can complete your physio treatment in the clinic. You can complete your physio treatment in the clinic. I have an appointment with my banker tomorrow. I have an appointment with my banker tomorrow. Awesome. So practice this 3 times a day. Do this for a couple days up to a week. Go through this video, listen to it while you're doing dishes until you feel like you've really mastered this and you can do this at fast speed so that you can find that tightness, glottal T really quickly and you can do it masterfully. The goal is to be natural and quick and to be able to throw it out at any moment. Throw it out at any moment. And of course, if you are looking for more practice, you want something really in-depth, 440 videos worth of practice and lessons, then go down below in the description. You'll see a link to my website for my book on Amazon, my audiobook on Audible, and for coaching, it's all there. And if you're like a lot of people, you might be thinking, well, what about the flap T? I want to know more about that and get more practice there. If that's you, when I'm finished that lesson, I'll put it here. But in the meantime, it might take me a bit. It takes me some time to create these videos, and I do put a lot of my time and effort to try to create something that's actually useful for people and that is more extensive. I'm just trying to give you as much practice as I think you would need if you were my client. And if you want to be notified of when it is ready, subscribe, click that little bell guy, then you'll be notified, and we'll see each other a lot more, which will be nice. But in the meantime, click on this video right here. I'm sure there's something really cool there too. Bye, see you later.